An enhanced risk on Easter Sunday would lead to multiple spinning storms across Arkansas. Only 2 would produce tornadoes. I was lucky enough to intercept one of these tornado-producing storms while it was producing a tornado. But in order to get there, I had to go through metropolitan and jungle hell. This is how I intercepted a grungy Arkansas tornado. This is KV Weather, as you all know. We are currently in Searcy, Arkansas. It is Easter, April 20th. Literally got out of church and flew down here. We're a bit early. Probably gonna make our way to Conway, maybe Greenbrier from this point, but pretty good setup. We have made it to the target area. We have a few options, couple of tornado warned cells heading towards the general area. As the cells approached, I positioned myself between 2 tornado warned supercells. The southern one grew dominant while the northern one began to weaken, forcing me to backtrack towards Conway. But man, that southern storm looks like a monster. Last look at our sail here. It's really starting to fall apart. So I'm hoping I'm not making a decision that I'm going to regret, but we are going to cut to that southern storm. During the reposition, our storm would thankfully lose intensity right before moving into the Conway area, but it didn't stop it from looking menacing as it loomed over the city. As the Conway cell meandered to the north, another storm to our south started looking suspicious as it was growing stronger and stronger and started looking better and better on radar, and so I raced towards Zion Hill for the potential tornado intercept. The only issue is that I was in the jungle, and in order to see tornadoes in the jungle, you gotta get right up on them. This is why I hate chasing in the jungle. We have potentially tornado number 2, but I genuinely can't see anything, so we're not going to pursue this one all too hard. See some rotation aloft. We got these rain bands pulling. The tornado would elude me as the uncondensed monster would cross the road right in front of me, and as I continued forward, damage would start to present itself. Oh, heck yeah. No, tornado, some sort of something came through here. Holy cow, yeah. Well, guys, that was tornado number 2, completely and utterly unable to be seen because we live in Arkansas. But I am safe. I'm not complaining. Of course, I continued hoping for unobstructed views, and luckily, this will pay off. That was Nader number 2. Oh, that guy looks like he's chasing, so we're gonna follow him. Hopefully. But we are gonna try and find a clear.
Continue on West Justice Road for 3/4 of a mile.
That dang definitely came through here. Check and see if I can see up here. Alright, we're clear. There is a confirmed tornado on the ground. Yeah. So that was Nader number 2. Let's just hope we can see as we approach here. Oh, heck yeah. I think we're gonna get a clearing right up and about now. Yep. There. Oh, look at that base. Unfortunately, all tornadoes aren't created equal, and this one certainly wasn't a stunner. But it counts. It's a violently rotating column of air extending from a cumulonimbus cloud, and it certainly did its good amount of violently rotating, as it would produce EF1 damage across Lonoke County. But it was unfortunately uncondensed through most of its lifetime. But since it's my first tornado, it has a special place in my heart. And even though I didn't see a monster wedge, at the time, this had marked my most successful chase. Of course, I've gotten a lot better now, but I had positioned nicely, I saw a tornado technically, and everything went smoothly. And so, maybe chasing isn't about seeing monster EF5 wedges. Maybe it's about the adventure. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, low-key waste my time a little bit. I wanna see EF5s every time. But I would have a pretty close call, as on the way home, a supercell passed just to my north, B-were and all. But that was a pretty dope chase. Got to work my storm chasing positioning. I learned a lot, and I got a nice pathetic excuse for a tornado, but it was my first tornado that I seen with my own two eyes that wasn't completely rain wrapped to the point where I technically couldn't see it, because then it would be my second tornado. But that's a video for another day. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and see you all next time.